If you've ever struggled with cooking rice to perfection, you know how challenging it can be to achieve that ideal, fluffy texture without overcooking or undercooking. Luckily, there's a solution that takes the guesswork out of the equation. This Zojirushi Induction Heating System rice cooker and warmer is here to revolutionize your rice cooking experience. Whether you're preparing everyday meals for your family or entertaining guests with sushi rice, this innovative rice cooker guarantees flawless results with every use. With its sleek design, advanced features, and versatile functions, it's clear that Zojirushi continues to lead the charge in creating appliances that blend functionality, technology, and style. Why choose Zojirushi? For decades, Zojirushi has been a trusted name in the world of rice cookers. Renowned for its cutting-edge technology, high-quality craftsmanship, and dependable performance, Zojirushi rice cookers are a staple in kitchens worldwide. The Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker and Warmer exemplifies the brand's dedication to excellence. Whether you're a beginner or an expert cook, this rice cooker takes your rice game to the next level with its easy-to-use interface, advanced cooking functions, and unmatched consistency. Key features. Number 1. Superior induction heating technology. Precise temperature control. Induction heating, IH, ensures precise and consistent temperature control, giving you perfectly cooked rice every single time. This advanced heating method generates high heat throughout the cooking process, preventing undercooking or burning. Even heat distribution. Unlike traditional rice cookers, the Zojirushi features triple heaters, bottom, side, and lid, that ensure even heat distribution for perfect cooking results. Number 2. Versatile multi-menu cooking functions. Endless cooking possibilities. With a variety of cooking functions, the Zojirushi rice cooker can handle all your rice needs, from regular white rice to specialty varieties like sushi rice, jasmine rice, sweet rice, porridge, and even quick cooking options. It's versatile enough to cater to all your meal prep needs, making it perfect for any occasion. Healthy cooking options. Zojirushi understands the importance of healthy eating, which is why this rice cooker includes settings for brown rice and GABA brown rice, offering you healthier rice options packed with nutrients. Number 3. Health-conscious cooking with GABA brown rice. Maximize nutrients. GABA brown rice is a powerful superfood known for its health benefits, including higher levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, which promotes relaxation and reduces stress. With the GABA setting on the Zojirushi rice cooker, you can easily prepare this nutritious rice option at home, making it the perfect addition to a balanced diet. Increased nutrient retention. The cooking process maximizes the retention of nutrients, ensuring you get the most out of your rice without sacrificing flavor or texture. Number 4. Large 1-yal capacity for everyday meals. Perfect size for families and small gatherings. With a 1-yal capacity, the Zojirushi rice cooker can easily prepare enough rice for 2 to 6 servings, making it ideal for families, small gatherings, or meal prepping for the week ahead. Cook more, stress less. Whether you're preparing a large batch of sushi rice for a party or a cozy meal of porridge for breakfast, this rice cooker makes meal prep quick and easy without the hassle. Number 5. Easy-to-read LCD control panel. User-friendly interface. The Zojirushi rice cooker is equipped with an easy-to-read orange LCD control panel, complete with a clock and timer, so you can easily set the cooking time and track the progress of your rice. Convenient keep warm and delay timer functions. The keep warm function ensures your rice stays warm and ready to serve, even after it's done cooking. The delay timer allows you to set the cooker in advance, so you can have freshly cooked rice ready when you need it, whether you're preparing meals in advance or coming home after a long day. Number 6. Clear-coated stainless steel design. Sleek and stylish. The clear-coated stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch to your kitchen while remaining easy to clean. The stylish, sleek design seamlessly fits into any kitchen decor, enhancing both function and aesthetic appeal. Number 7. High-quality black spherical inner cooking pan. Optimal cooking performance. The black spherical inner cooking pan is not only durable, but also designed for maximum heat retention and uniform cooking. This feature ensures that your rice is cooked evenly, with a soft, fluffy texture every time. Non-stick coating. The non-stick surface makes it easier to serve your rice and simplifies cleanup, so you can focus on enjoying your meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.